Today we will discuss and derive the general gas equation. General gas equation is also known as ideal gas equation because it is applicable to ideal gases. We know that ideal gases are the gases which obey gas laws under all the conditions of temperature and pressure. Any equation which shows the relationship between the volume, pressure and temperature and number of moles of gases. This equation shows the relationship between these parameters and therefore it is known as a gas equation. This equation is formed by the combination or uniting the three gas laws: Boyle's law, Charles' law, Avogadro's law. According to Boyle's law, volume is inversely proportional to pressure when temperature is kept constant. Charles' law: when pressure is kept constant, volume is directly proportional to temperature. Avogadro's law: under the similar conditions of temperature and pressure, volume is directly proportional to N. Writing them mathematically, first Boyle's law, volume is inversely proportional to pressure, or it is written as PV is equal to a constant. According to Charles' law, when mathematically written, volume is directly proportional to temperature. Avogadro's law, when written mathematically, volume is directly proportional to number of moles of gases. Now these three laws, when written mathematically, in terms of volume, volume is inversely proportional to pressure, volume is directly proportional to temperature, and volume is directly proportional to number of moles of gases. Uniting these three, we can write V is directly proportional to N, number of moles, into temperature upon pressure, or rewritten as pressure into volume is proportional to N into T. Now when we remove a proportionality sign, we write a constant. Here we will write R. This is known as proportionality constant and is also known as gas constant or molar gas constant or universal gas constant. Now this equation is known as gaseous state equation. Any equation when applied to any state of matter, when it defines a system with its parameter, is known as state equation. Since here we are defining gases and explaining the gaseous system, this equation is known as gaseous state equation because it shows the relation between definite amount of volume, pressure and temperature and number of moles of gases. When of 1 mole of gas N is equal to 1, this gas equation can be written as, or it becomes PV is equal to R into T. Now today we derived ideal gas equation on the basis of three laws: Boyle's law, Charles' law and Avogadro's law. जनरल गैस इक्वेशन को सामान्य गैस समीकरण भी कहते हैं। गैस की चार मापनीय विशेषताओं आयतन, दाब, ताप और गैस के मोलों की संख्या में जब संबंध दिखाता है, ये जो संबंध दिखता है वो तीन नियमों के अनुसार, बॉयल्स, चार्ल्स और एवोगैड्रो के नियमानुसार होता है। जैसा कि हमने डिस्कस किया, वॉल्यूम दाब के व्युत्क्रमानुपाती है, ताप के समानुपाती है और नंबर ऑफ मोल्स के भी समानुपाती है। तो इस इक्वेशन को हम लिखते हैं वॉल्यूम नंबर ऑफ मोल्स और टेम्परेचर के समानुपाती है व दाब के व्युत्क्रमानुपाती है, या हम लिख सकते हैं प्रेशर इंटू वॉल्यूम अपॉन नंबर ऑफ मोल्स इंटू टी इज इक्वल टू कांस्टेंट, जहाँ पे आर कांस्टेंट है और इस आर जो एक स्थिरांक है इसे हम मोल गैस स्थिरांक या गैस स्थिरांक कहते हैं। अब इस समीकरण को दैट इज पी वी इज इक्वल टू एन इंटू आर इंटू टी, ये वो समीकरण है जो किसी गैस की निश्चित मात्रा के आयतन, दाब व परम ताप में संबंध दिखाता है। इसे अवस्था गैस समीकरण कहते हैं। जब 1 मोल गैस के लिए n का मान हो जाता है 1, तो ये गैस समीकरण जो है वो पी वी इज इक्वल टू आर टी के बराबर होता है। इस गैस समीकरण को हम आदर्श गैस समीकरण भी कहते हैं। चलो हो गया 9:15, अरे 9:20 हो गई।